That's really cringy, I'm not gonna say that. It's really embarrassing. Hi! Oh my god, I feel so awkward! Oh! I'm like getting the ick for myself. How do you even start a video? I can't even remember, it's been so long. So, I'm back. I started this channel 10 years ago? 10, 11, 12, maybe 12 years ago. That's made me feel really old. And yeah, I kind of abandoned it and I kind of wanted to come back to it this year. So I thought, what a better way to kind of get back into it than to just a really simple little get ready with me and have a little chit chat. And a lot's changed and I have a lot more kind of ways I can make content now. If you enjoy this, like it, subscribe. I don't know what to say more. I'm actually getting the ick for myself. This is like I feel so awkward. It's been a while, I'm sorry, I feel shy. I'm going to be doing a mix of things: makeup, lashes, brows, business type things. So yeah, a little bit different to what I used to do. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting back to it. I hope you enjoy this, and yeah, I don't know what else to say, so just enjoy the video. Right, take 200. Oh, this feels very weird, but we're back. So I just thought I would start off, do a little get ready with me, have a wee chit chat, catch up, and just kind of speak about my plans for this channel now. As a makeup artist, I have no makeup in my house because I have no time to do my own makeup these days. The products that I will be using in today's video, very limited. This is like my go-to soft glam. I can literally do this look in 10 minutes if I wanted to, maybe less than that. Just throw it on my face and just good to go. Left my concealer, I can't find my concealer. So it's good, this is a disaster already. So this is kind of like my go-to little glowy, easy, natural look. I'm a natural girl these days. I've got no lash extensions, I've got a wee lash lift going on. I'm just rambling, I literally don't even know what I'm doing. Starting out with the P. Louise Hold You Down Brow Gel. So I'm just gonna brush my brows. I don't put much product to my brows. I literally just tend to put like soap or gel, and I fill them in lightly. I don't really put too much product in them. Yeah, I thought I would, you know, new year, old me, get back on here because I abandoned this channel years ago. Like years ago. I feel like I never fully committed to it back in the day. I started this channel when I was like 12 or 13. So you're talking like 11, 12 years that I've had this like channel for. So you know, it's been a while and I didn't really fully commit to it because when I was in school, obviously I got absolutely slaughtered for doing YouTube in school because kids are just mean, and that's just what happens when you do anything slightly different to what the usual is. And I'm kind of annoyed at myself. I've been speaking to other people about this the last couple of weeks, that I wish I'd stuck at it because I did really enjoy it. Like, this is kind of the reason why I thought I would start doing them again. No other reason other than the fact that I genuinely really enjoy doing it, and I genuinely really enjoy like the process of making videos, editing them. It's just fun for me. Like, I just really have always enjoyed doing them, and also like it would have helped my business so much more if I'd stuck at it, because I don't know, imagine I stuck consistently to this for like 10, 11 years. Like, I could be in a completely different place than I am now. So, you know, I kind of wish I hadn't stopped doing it because of what people were saying, but you know, I was young, and at that age I feel like I cared so much about what other people thought about me, whereas now I just don't really care. Like, just the fear of getting like made fun of, like I just hate that. But I just don't care anymore, and I just really want to get back into it, so here we are. I forgot to say as well, I've put moisturiser on before I started this. I used the Rituals Daily Moisturiser. I think it's like the anti-aging firming one. Really enjoy that moisturiser just now. Like, I am so converted to Rituals. I use like their whole skincare routine and I just love it. I used to use so many products on my skin, and I feel like it does the complete opposite. Like, I feel like for my skin, the less I use the better. So I've just been using a couple of serums and like a moisturiser, but I could go into like a skincare routine in another video if you want. That is kind of it. Like, the reason why I wanted to kind of get back on here is genuinely just because I missed it and I really enjoyed making videos, editing videos. Like, I just feel like it was just a fun extra thing for me to do, and I really kind of wish I'd stuck at it, but you know, you live, you learn, you grow up, and here we are. So 2024. I really want to be consistent with it, and yeah, looking forward to this year and just doing more things. Like, I want to put more time aside this year to do more things that I enjoy, which is like this. Like, I know this is like kind of work related, but like not really. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter. I love this. I have this in my makeup bag obviously here. I bought this for myself for going away on holiday because I had no foundation in the house and I just wanted to try this. And I really like it. I wore it every day on holiday. I didn't even set it because I forgot to bring setting powder, and it lasted really well while I was away. Yeah, really enjoy this. I like, the thing is with Charlotte Tilbury, like I love it, but they're always out of stock. I feel like whenever I need it, it's out of stock. So I kind of like, this is like a wee dupe, and it's great if you know, you're running low and your shade's out of stock. Kind of like, so like me just now, like I just, whenever I do wear makeup, I don't wear a lot, so this is kind of like perfect for me. It just kind of evens out your skin tone, gives you a bit of a glow. I just really like it. It's just like your skin but better. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been loving recently. So yeah, little life update. Me and my boyfriend bought a house. That's where we are. It's been a journey. It's been a lot of work. But yeah, really enjoying it. It's nice just having our own little space. It's been almost a year since we bought it actually, which is crazy. It'll be like a year in like a month or so when we put our offer in, which is just mental. Like, it's just, this year just came around so quickly. I'll just go back to the start because I feel like I need to fully tell you about my life these days, because I've not been on here in years. When I used to, last time I think I posted a video, it was years ago. It was probably in lockdown. I was still working at H&M at the time. I really wanted to go full-time self-employed in 2020. Didn't happen. Well, it did, but didn't happen right at the start. I had a plan from December 2019. I said that in March of 2020, that went down the drain, that I would go full-time self-employed. I didn't want to quit in the December and leave my full-time job when I was away to go into my quiet months. Like, it just didn't make any sense. So I thought I'll wait till March when it gets a bit busier again, and I'll quit and I'll go full time and take the leap. Came round to sort of February, March time. My parents were like, girl, you know, COVID is a thing, and you don't know what's gonna happen. So like, is it the brightest idea to quit your full-time job when you don't know what's gonna happen? I was like, probably not. So I thought I'll hold off, didn't leave yet. Got around to the end of lockdown and it turned out, so my job role at my old job was basically non-existent anymore, so they were making everybody redundant. And yeah, so they made me redundant, which was absolutely fine because it just totally worked in with my plans, and I was like, it's clearly meant to be like me taking the leap, going self-employed, because, you know, that was that. Like, my job was gone. It was like, you have no choice, you've got to go self-employed, so just do it. And it's obviously worked out so well. So that was 4 years ago now, so I've been full-time self-employed for 4 years. I was working at my best friend's salon up until April this year. She decided to close down the salon, so now I've got my own little place, not too far from where I used to work. Perfect, I really like it, very central. Couldn't imagine myself doing anything different. Like, I love my job, love my clients, like, it's just so good. So I currently do makeup, lashes, brows, and I teach as well. So that was another thing that started last year. It was crazy, so many things happened last year. So I launched my training academy, and then I moved into my new salon, and then 2 weeks later we got the keys for our house. So it was the most stressful couple of months of my life, I think, and I've never spent that much money in my life than in those few months. So yeah, last year was an expensive year. I've got a couple of courses coming up this month, and I'm really wanting to focus a lot of energy and effort into that this year. Like, I really do enjoy doing it. That was another thing that I thought about for this channel, because before I kind of only done makeup videos, and towards the end of like the last time I probably posted, I was doing lashes and brows and things like that, but I didn't really have any content aimed towards that. And with me doing teaching and stuff now, like, I really did want to add in a lot of kind of more educational content. So if you are a beauty girly and you want If there's anything you can think of, like educational type videos you would like to see, please let me know. Not just like your standard makeup tutorial. Like I would really like to go more into depth for, you know, people who are starting out doing lashes that are maybe newly qualified. Sort of like my tips and stuff, like, you know, I've been doing it for quite a while now, and you know, the sort of stuff that I share with my students and information and stuff, I would really like to be able to pass it on here as well. Like that, if you have any ideas of things you want to see, please let me know. I've got a wee list of stuff that I want to make over the next few weeks, but if you have any other ideas, hit me up. So yeah, it's been a very busy year in my life, between house renovating and business and moving, and it's been a lot. So this year I feel more settled. Finally, I feel like I've settled down, like work life, personal life, and I kind of just want to focus a lot more energy into like things I genuinely enjoy. And I feel like I've done a lot last year, like I achieved a lot last year, but I didn't do a lot, if that makes sense. Like I had a lot of big work life changes, but I didn't actually do a lot of things like social wise. Like I basically had no life last year because I just had so much going on. So I really wanted to, that was a big thing I wanted to do this year, is like really focus a lot of time and energy into like things I enjoy, and like spending time with my friends and going away and doing things. So I just didn't really do a lot last year, obviously for like obvious reasons, like it was a busy, expensive year. The P. Louise blush, I feel like I've definitely put way too much of that on. I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, and I just feel like that is going to end in tears. Yeah, I'm really loving a very more liquid focused base routine, like not too powdery. I kind of just set under my eyes. But I like to put my blush here and then I kind of blend it out and up. I've just been using the Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation recently as a setting powder. I actually really like it. Because it's a powder foundation as well, you get that extra bit of coverage and brightness with it. I'm going to set underneath the eyes with that. House updates. Put a new bathroom in. We kind of redone all the decor, stripped all the wallpaper. That was a job and a half. The next thing is the kitchen. We're going to get a new kitchen soon. But yeah, it has been quite time consuming, and wow, like what a learning experience. Like I feel like we've learned so much doing this. Like it's been so busy and we've done so much this last year, but it's so satisfying as well, like seeing the difference between like the house, like seeing when you look at before and afters, like it does make it worth all the effort, because like you see how much of a difference it makes. I feel like YouTube, not many people use it anymore, but I still really enjoy it for like longer videos. Like don't get me wrong, I feel like TikTok is great. It has absolutely destroyed my attention span. Like I struggle to watch things that are longer than 2 minutes long, and even some TikToks I will skip to the end because I'm like so impatient. But yeah, like I feel like I still really enjoy like longer videos. Let me know if you prefer sort of like shorter videos or longer ones. This is my favourite mascara when I have a lash lift. It is the Beautiful Brows and Lashes, look at the state of this because I've used it so much. Beautiful Brows and Lashes The Bomb Mascara. So good if you have a lash lift, because not only does it like lengthen your lashes really well, and what I like about it is it also has a lot of ingredients in it that are nourishing to your lashes. So at the same time as just having mascara on and having makeup on, you're also looking after your lash lift and like nourishing your eyelashes as well. So if you are a lash lift girly, I would recommend. I'm gonna just add, because I just feel like I want to add a little extra something. I'm gonna use this P. Louise Brown liquid liner. I'm just gonna add a little flick. Slay. Sorry, I cannot stop saying that. It's actually became like an integral part of my vocabulary, and all my friends absolutely slag me for it because I can't stop saying it, but slay. I'm gonna get some lip liner. I've left it in my bag. Wait 2 seconds. We're back. I'm going to use my Kiko lip liner. It really needs sharpening. And then I'm going to use this Kiko lip gloss, which my mum got me because most of my stuff is still at my mum's house. I literally moved in July. They're absolutely sick of it. I still took half my stuff out of my room. Clearly it should just bin half of it because I clearly don't need it since I haven't used it since July. But she borrowed my lip gloss and took it away with her for the weekend because she couldn't find hers. So she bought me a new one in Glasgow. So thanks, Mum. Appreciate it. So yeah, I love the Kiko lip glosses though. They're so good. Really affordable and they have such nice shades. This is a really nice, like, it's like a sort of peachy nude. I don't think it's gonna focus. Oh yeah, there it is. 003. This is my very minimal go-to easy makeup for myself when I'm just nipping out. I never put makeup on just to go out. But if I actually have plans, crazy, I know, not like me. This is like the kind of look I like to do on myself. But yeah, I am really excited to get back. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, if you have any suggestions, any video ideas that you would like to see, please let me know. Like, please, because your girl's gonna need help. But whether that be like makeup ideas, videos, I can do ones with my sister again because I know everybody really liked those. I guess everyone just likes Lauren, so I can bring her back, I guess. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.